Give me just one lunch break and I'm going to show you step by step how to cold email like a pro, where you can download my 12 years of experience, skip all the trial and error, and you're going to leave with a ready to send high reply cold email campaign plus plug and play scripts that the gurus bill over $5,000 for, all for free before your coffee gets cold. The system that we've helped implement into a civil marketing agency, where they've gotten now 50 positive replies in just a few weeks, 6 meetings, they closed one deal already, 3 pending. They previously were using HubSpot, didn't get a single positive reply. In just a few weeks, they've gotten 50 positive replies. Bobby, who is a done for you copywriter, has gotten 22 positive replies, 7 book meetings, closed a couple deals over $20,000 in just a couple weeks. Marshall, who is in financial services, started getting an 8% reply rate, 95 positive replies, 23 bookings. He got so overwhelmed, he actually asked if he could stop the campaigns so he could work on his responses and start setting up warm follow-ups. And then Thirsty Sprout, who started getting 30 subscribers a day, better deliverability, higher conversion rates, and started saving their sales reps 10 to 15 hours per week with automation. Steve Beller, who's now booked over 763 meetings. He's expanded his team across the country, and each rep is booking now 25 to 30 meetings per week. And last month, him alone, he did over $30,000, not including his team members. And he's booking 3% of his leads into an appointment. Okay, so who is this for? This works for anybody who wants to send 1,000 emails a week or 10,000 a day. If you're a lead agency, an AI agency, staffing, recruiting, coach, consultant, SaaS company, almost any B2B business. All right. So maybe you've struggled with cold email in the past. You want to scale it predictably. You want an effective strategy that consistently generates leads and sales. You're looking to improve your outreach, increase your reply rates, grow your business, and you have the drive and innovation to embrace new technology. Even if you've been disappointed with strategies or tools before in the past, ultimately, that's not your fault if previous systems did not work. But you know there's a better way to scale your cold email results, and you know that the strategies are changing, technology is innovating rapidly, and the old way just isn't sufficient anymore. If you don't know me, my name is Patrick Spielman. I'm the founder of LeadEngine.ai. I built a top 10 franchise with a company called Sculpture Hospitality, where we were on the TV show Bar Rescue. I won over 6 different growth awards with that company. I built a 7-figure sales agency, and I've helped thousands and thousands of users over the past implement cold email. So on the webinar, here's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn the number one thing you must never do with cold email and why it's killing your results, the exact process that landed 827 meetings from 66,000 email sends with no personalization needed, how to turn a bad lead list into a gold mine while saving 60 to 80% on it, how to stop starving your pipeline with a simple copywriting tweak that sells itself, and a simple email that made $38,490 last month from a list of 5,412 people, what to do right after your prospect replies positively. Most B2Bs get this completely backwards, how to survive the deliverability crisis and turn it into your top secret weapon, and what to say in your PS that boosts replies by 21%. So that's what you're going to learn on the workshop. Come ready, register today. We're going to give you some free waterfall enrichments just for registering. We'll see you in the workshop.